Hello techies, we are in lab 4.2.10 and we're going to configure IP addresses on mobile devices. So you work as an IT administrator for a small corporate network. An employee requires an IP for her work assignment. However, the DHCP server is unable to automatically issue the IP configuration. So in this lab, your task is to configure a static IP address on the iPad using the following settings. IP address is going to be 192.168.0.85. Subnet is 255.255.0. Default gateway is provided also. And the DNS is going to be 192.168.0.11. Join the iPad to the COPNET network. Use the COPNET secure as a password. Okay. So yeah, I guess that is it. Remember that this is lab 4.2.10 and we'll go ahead and start lab. Now, in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can pause the video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for you all. Alright, so we just wait for this to load. Alright, so this has loaded. Let's start up. We're going to settings right away and Wi-Fi. We're going to Wi-Fi and let's see Wi-Fi and then COPNET. Okay, so I'll go into this. Let's see, and the details is provided here. So it's going to be 192.168.0.85 and the subnet mark is 255.255.255.0 and what else? The router is going to be 192.168.0.5, that is otherwise known as the gateway, and then the DNS is provided also. So let's see what else. Join network and the password is this. You can just copy and paste, otherwise type it out like me and I'm going to do. I like to type it out, but you can always copy and paste it there. So we join. Let's see if that is successful. Okay, so I guess that is joined. So let's go ahead and check our answers. And if this video was helpful to you, remember to share to other educational platforms so that students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll definitely see you in the next video.